Radius is 5.3 meters. Here you can check the knee room as well as leg room. Here you can check his knee room. I mean, this height has been moved so much at backside as it is set to 6 feet. Namaste, welcome back to Lokesh Auto Vibe. Who are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Here I brought you some value for money car from Mahindra, which is Mahindra XUV 3XO MX3 Pro variant in diesel. You know very well it prices on-road prices 15 lakhs on-road in Nizamabad. This price segment you are getting small hatchbacks like Tata Altros and Maruti Suzuki Fronx, but it is the deciding factor. You can decide this car or else Tata Altros or Fronx top end variant by watching this video completely. So please don't skip this video. Watch the complete video of Mahindra XUV 3XO, as it got so many features like panoramic sunroof, it got vector wheels, 10-inch infotainment screen, and so many things, wireless charging pad, and so many things. You will get to decide whether this car is better, I mean value for money, or else some small hatchbacks. So please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. I am getting more views, but so many viewers are not subscribing to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel so I can get more energy and enthusiasm to do more videos by just clicking your subscribe button. So please everyone click subscribe button to my channel. So okay, let's get into this video of Mahindra XUV 3XO. From the front look you can check it got a closed grille, not an open grille at the front. So it's purely piano black finish, and you got this chrome elements, I mean chrome symbol badging as well as this designs on it. And at the here you can check the front bumper, you got their silver skid plate also. Here are the headlights, projector headlamps, you got LED projector lamps, and there you doesn't get any fog lamps. You need to be fitted as an accessory. It is the one thing you doesn't get. And here you can check how the car looks from the front. You know very well it is an compact SUV segment, so the car looks awesome I mean from front also. And here you can check the windshield as well as you got this basic wipers here, not the premium ones which Mahindra gives in XUVs and Scorpios. So, and here you got some black cladding as well as on the fenders. I mean from fender to the rear bumper you got everywhere cladding, on door also, but you doesn't get any silver claddings. It's pure black. You got vector wheels which is given only in this variant. You doesn't get below this variant, so it is a good thing where it is not a drum wheel, where it is not an alloy wheel. It is a vector wheel called, looks like an alloy but not an alloy, but not an drum. I think you got understood, right? And here you got this disc brake, front disc brake. It is a quite good thing. And here you got this ORVM, auto folding, unfolding, with a black piano black finish with the turn indicator. And here you can check, here you got this disc brake as well as here the diesel tank capacity is 42 liters. Okay, fuel tank lid opener, and here you can check some piano black finish element. You doesn't get any window chrome garnish. And here is the antenna, which is not shark fin antenna. It got some antenna, and you doesn't get any rear dewashers or defogger lines or wipers. It is a second thing you doesn't get in this variant. And here you got this rear backlight is really good, as it is improved from XUV 300. You got the connecting DI light and the brake light there, turn indicator there, and here you got XUV 3XO badging. You doesn't see any MX3 Pro badging there. And here you got the Mahindra symbol. And the rear bumper you can check, it got some pattern, 3D pattern on the rear bumper. 3D pattern has been given under the reflector, and you got some smoke silver finish panel there, and you got two parking sensors. Here is the silver skid plate. You doesn't get reverse camera. Reverse camera can be fitted from Mahindra as an accessory. That's it. And here you can check how the side profile looks. You doesn't get one thing here. It is not a key start stop button. You doesn't get request button also, request sensor button also. It is purely key control. It is from Outlook. And here one thing which is a beautiful thing given in this car is sunroof. Panoramic sunroof has been given, and you doesn't see any roof rails on this. Okay, this is from outside. Let's get into inside and check it is good. I mean, the technology is good or else not. See, from driver side door panel you can check it's purely beige color mix of black. And here you can check you doesn't find any leather treatment. Everything is hard plastic. See, it is also hard plastic. And here also you doesn't get any chrome finish door handle also. And here this is the one thing, it got piano black finish. I think this panel also should get in piano black, so it would good like look good like some premium element. And here you got the speakers and tweets here. And there you got this reflectors, emergency reflectors, door reflectors, and 2 bottle holders and some storage space here. And the seats are purely fabric, not the leather ones. And you got only this back adjustment support itself, lumbar support only. You doesn't get any height support, height adjustment. Okay, here you got traction control on off. And here is the one thing, as I said, it is a start stop button, you know very well, right? And here are the AC vents. It got purely piano black finish treatment. Okay, let's get into the car and check what are the things has been updated from XUV300. And here let's turn on this engine, so we will get to know how the engine sound looks. As it is diesel car, you know very well. I will give you a throttle. See how it sounds good, right? And here is the steering wheel. It is not a leather wrapped steering wheel. It is a not leather, but it is a soft touch material has been given. And here you doesn't see any chrome finish. And here you got this controls. Let us check. Volume controls are given on the left, audio controls, and here you got this cruise control, which is good, right? So many cars doesn't provide in mid variant cruise control. It is actually value for money variant, MX3 Pro diesel variant. As I said, at this price you are getting a hatchbacks, not any compact SUVs with these features. So you can check here, analog instrument cluster has been given and small MID screen has been given. And here you can check it actually shows the tire direction also. It is one good thing. And here 2.5-inch infotainment system. As you know very well, it doesn't have any reverse camera, so it's the screen itself. And here you can check home. I will press home button, and here are some controls. It can connect on Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay. And here are the AC vents. And this panel is same as in XUV300. It is not at all updated in XUV3XO. So let me know how many people like this design in XUV300 as well as 3XO. Please give in the comment. And here you got parking lights as well as a passenger airbag on off button has been given. And here from here you can control this MID screen also. Check here, it shows so many settings, trip A, trip B. And here is the one thing, steering mode is in normal, I mean in neutral. And here you got auto AC, no auto AC controls has been given. You need to adjust by manually itself. And here is the one thing, it got wireless charging dock where I keep my mobile. See here, it charges, but it doesn't have any light indication as so many cars provided. Here you got USB port, and it got 6-speed manual transmission gearbox. And here is the beautiful thing where this piano black finish element is given good, so it doesn't looks like some awkward or else some cheap kind of material. So it is a good thing given in this car. And here you got some silver finish, and here 2 cup holders and manual handbrake. And here you got this armrest, which is the one thing given leather one in this car. and here you got some storage space here, and that's it from the front. And oh sorry, I forgot, here the glove box is good in beige color, and here you got some button, and here is the piano black finish, and here you got this sunglass holder, and these lights are not given in LED, it given in halogen as it is mid variant. And here is the sunroof. You can check, my friend is controlling the sunroof. Here is the sunroof, electric sunroof, and see here you can check sun visors, and here is the other sun visor with the vanity mirror but no light there. You can check the light placement has been given here but no light, and this handles as usual, you know, and this rear view mirror, it's not an auto dimming, manual adjustment, and you can check the 3D pattern on this front here. And that's it from the front. Same that side also, same door panel, same everything. You can check this view as, and here I forgot the thing, steering adjustment, only height adjustment, not the telescopic ones. I think yes, it's not at all telescopic, it's got only this. And here you got this wiper controls, not the auto, and here you got the headlight controls, not the auto headlights. Okay, that's it. You can check the rear door panel. I did not show you by opening. See here, same thing, you no need to explain this thing. And here are the seats, fabric seats, and here is also fabric seats, pure fabric, not at all leather. And here you can check, we can easily get into the car by this. And the good thing has been given in it, separate AC vents to the rear passengers, so that doesn't get disturb the driver side people. So, and here you got phone holder, mobile holder with the C-type charging socket, as well as 12 watts charging socket have also given. And here are the AC vents, not any blower controls. And here you got this light, and this you can check the beige color roof. Here halogen, not LED one. You doesn't get any reading lamps over here. And here you doesn't get any armrest also. Here you can check. Here you can check, my friend Anurup, can you sit once here and show them the knee room as well as leg room. Here you can check his knee room. I mean, this height has been moved so much at backside, as it is set to 6 feet, but his height is 5.5 feet. Here you can check the knee room and leg room also, and headroom is quite good. And please Anurup, show this Jupira is the seats folding and unfolding, so it can be folded into 60/40 speeds, so you can increase the boot space. We will talk the boot space later in the okay. Boot space is 364 liters. You can check how it is lowered down here, but you doesn't get any boot light over here, but here you got hooks, I mean 4 hooks, 2 are 5 kgs and 2 are 7 kg hooks, this side and that side as well. Let's once lift this and check the here you got this jack as well as this tools over here, emergency kit also there. And here you got this spade tire, C8 tire, you can check. Okay, here is the one good thing, when you compare to hatchbacks, it got ground clearance of 201 mm. Sorry, I forgot to tell you the tire profile, right? Tire profile size is 205 by 65 or 16 inch. It is the 16 inch tires. Okay, here is the ground clearance is best part in this compact SUVs. And let's know what are this engine specifications as well as the torque and the horsepower, how it performs on highway. Let me adjust my seat, and I have put my seat belt also as it is a safety. Let's put into the first gear and rev the engine. See here you can check we are moving on highway, as this brother has got XUV700. You can check on this highway. See here the performance is quite good. You can check the sound as well as the pickup also, as it produces 300 Newton meter torque, and with the 115 bhp horsepower is also produced in this 1.5 liter diesel engine of Mahindra. Of Mahindra. You can check the road presence, and this here is the thing. where you can check the noise as well as this car speed also you can check. It easily gets up to 100, 110, and you can check the stability of the car on this highway. I am talking about highway. Warning indication of seat belt also, of the passenger seat belt as well as the rear passenger seat belt. And here you can check how I am driving this car, but the steering wheel feels some heavier than other Mahindra cars, not lighter cars. Ante mari anta light ledu, mari anta heavy ledu. It is in moderate condition. You can check the stability of car on this road also. It's quite good, as well as the pickup is very good. Easily you can get the mileage of 20 in this car. Here you can check the turning radius. Turning radius is 5.3 meters. Here you can check I am turning on the first gear. See here how it produces a sound, as it is a diesel engine. Please, diesel engine favorite, I mean ఎవరికైతే డీజిల్ ఇంజన్ ఫేవరెట్ ఉంటుందో వాళ్ళు కామెంట్ చేయండి, because so many people are converting into petrol as well as EV cars, right? Okay, if you guys have liked this review of Mahindra 3XO, please subscribe to my channel. I will show you the complete ride in a silent mode till some kilometers, like 10 kilometers. So please subscribe to my channel, Lokesh Gaud Vempelli, Lokesh Auto Vibe, and wait for more car contents. So thank you.